method. Okay. So now I am going with a problem. So you can see here. Consider a 4-tap FAR filter. We have two diagrams here, 3.18A, 3.18B. So 18A is without parallel crossing. Okay, 3.18A. I don't know why it is, now it is. This is without, first diagram is without parallel crossing. And second diagram is with parallel crossing. This is with parallel crossing. You can see two stages are there and L value equal to 2. Same structure, 2 times, one below the other. So L value equal to 2. Dotted lines is the critical path. Okay, dotted lines is the critical path. First diagram, second diagram. Both the diagrams, dotted line is given. This is the critical path to reach the output. Okay. In the critical path, first diagram, we have one adder, one multiplier only. Second diagram, we have, see the dotted line, we have one multiplier and two adders. Okay. So one multiplier and two adders. One multiplier plus two adders are there in the second diagram. In the first diagram, it is one multiplier plus one adder. This is the critical path. So now you read the question. It is a 4-tap FAR filter. 4-tap means 4 multipliers are there. Delays will be 3 unit. Okay. We already know the equation of 3-tap FAR filter, but now it is 4-tap FAR filter. So if we want to write the equation also, we can write it FAR filter. Okay. So what is the equation? Y of n equal to, here we have H naught. Okay. H naught into X of n is there. Next H1 into, we are having delay units. Here it will become H3 into X of n. Then it is having a delay H3 into X of n minus 1. Okay. Then here H2 into X of n will come. H2 into X of n plus, okay, H3 into X of n minus 1. So like that you apply, one more delay will come. H2 X of n minus 1, H3 X of n minus 2. Then H1 also get introduced, H1 into X of n. Then H1 in all this will be changed. And finally what we are going to get is final equation. Final equation is H naught into X of n, okay, plus H1 into X of n minus 1 plus H2 into X of n minus 2 plus H3 into X of n minus 3. This is 4-tap FAR filter. Okay, equation for the first diagram. Slowly, step by step, you write whatever factors will come after the each multiplier and adder. This equation 1 is for the first diagram, 4-tap FAR filter. So now 2 copies of the same is attached. So L value equal to 2. 2 copies are attached. So L value equal to 2. Okay. Now dashed lines denote the critical path. We already discussed about the critical path. And wherever multiplication operation is there, it will take 8 units time. Wherever addition operation is there, it will take 1 unit time. Okay. 8 units and 1 unit time. Now without parallel processing, the total critical path time, okay, time in the critical path equal to, okay, first diagram, one adder, one multiplier, so 8 times, okay, 8 times of the adder plus 1 time of the adder, it is total 9 times of the adder computational time. Okay, adder computational time. Now with the parallel filters, with the parallel processing, in the critical path, that time taken, computational time in the critical path. So one multiplier and two adders are there. Multiplier takes 8 times of the computational time of adder and 2 times computational time of the adder. It totally becomes 10 times computational time of the adder. Okay. So this is about without and with the parallel crossing. What about computational time in the critical path? Okay. Computational time in the critical path. Okay. So this is about without and with the parallel processing. So now we will go with the equations. So without parallel processing, okay, so without parallel processing, we know the propagation delay equal to C V naught by beta into V naught minus Vt whole square, okay. And power consumption is C total, okay, C total, and V naught square F, V naught square F. This is without parallel processing. Now coming to with parallel processing, okay. So with parallel processing, what happens? This will become L into T sequence, L into T sequence, and this C will become, okay, capacitance charge will become C only, and then V naught will be beta V naught divided by, here it is K. So I have written this formula wrong. This is a constant K. This is constant K, okay, and K into V naught will become beta V naught minus Vt whole square. This is the equation when parallel processing is introduced, propagation delay, okay. So with parallel processing, power consumption will become, here it is L times the charge, okay, L times the charge, and then V naught will become beta V naught whole square, okay. So I pronounced F, but I have written beta here, sorry. I pronounced F, I remember, but I have written beta here, okay. And F will become F by L, okay. These are the things in parallel processing happening. Right side you can see, in the parallel processing, first equation, left side L will come, and V naught will become beta V naught in the first equation. Second equation, capacitance charging, total charging, it is L times. V naught will become beta V naught, and F will become F by L, okay. So now we know the capacitance value, we will substitute one by one. Okay. So with the parallel processing, this computational time, the capacitance, okay, if we see only the first equation, let this be equation 1A and this be equation 1B. Only 1A, 1B we will take, okay. And here it is becoming T sequence equal to 9 times the charging time and V naught by K into V naught minus Vt whole square. Only first equation we have to operate. After getting beta value only, second equation we have to touch, okay. So let this be 2A and 2B. 2A, 2B, we will not do anything now. After getting beta value only, we will go with the 2A, 2B equations. So now L value equal to 2 here, 2 level parallel processing. This is T sequence, and computational time, now it is 10 times the adder computation time, and beta value V naught, okay, divided by K into then beta V naught minus Vt whole square, okay. These are the equations. Now further equating RHS, this equation 1b, okay, equation 1b, further I can write it as equation 1b, further I can write it as T sequence equal to, if I take 2 to the RHS, it becomes 5 times beta V naught divided by, 5 times beta V naught divided by K into beta V naught minus Vt whole square. And on the left side, it is T sequence, it remains the same, 9 times V naught by K into V naught minus Vt whole square. Now equate only RHS in these two equations. Equate only RHS in the two equations. So what will happen? Whatever gets cancelled, we will cancel off. Equating only the RHS, what will happen? This V naught will get cancelled. V naught will get cancelled. This V naught also will get cancelled. K will get cancelled. Okay. And we are left out with 9 times beta V naught minus Vt whole square. And then on the other side, 5 times beta and V naught minus Vt whole square. Okay. So after equating RHS, in both of these equations, 2A, 2B, we are not touching at all. Okay. Only the first propagation delay equations we are dealing with. These are the equations we got. And in the question it is given, right side you can see, in the question it is given, threshold voltage is 0.45. My cursor is not visible, just 1 minute. I want to underline, yes. Threshold voltage equal to 0.45, which means Vt equal to 0.45 volts, and the supply voltage is 3.3. Okay. Supply voltage means V naught. V naught value 3.3 volts. We will use this two in next equation. 0.45 and 3.3. Okay. So here it is beta times 3.3 minus 0.45 whole square equal to 5 times beta, and here it is 3.3 minus 0.45 and whole square. Okay. So you can see in this equation number 3, only beta is the unknown variable, everything are values. Now if you solve it, beta value will come out. Okay. If you solve it, beta value will come out. Just 1 minute. I'm not using calculator, so let me see what is beta value. If I solve this equation, beta value will come out as 0.6589 or 0.0282. Okay. And when you put the beta value, what happens to the supply voltage? So these two are beta values. Beta value is coming out like this. Okay, beta value is coming out like this. Now if you make square of that, okay, see the equations 2a to b. See the equations 2a to b. Only beta square is additional. L and L will get cancelled in 2b equation. L and L will get cancelled with 2b equation. Okay. What I am going to do, beta value, I have two values here. Okay, beta value, two values. Now, if I equate 2a to b RHS of 2a and 2b, if you equate, what will happen? 2a it is C total V naught square F, and 2b it is C into beta square V naught square F. Okay, and if you make this is not equating, but I will just 1 minute. Not equating, just compare. Compare RHS of equation 2a to b. So compare RHS of equation 2a, 2b. Okay. Then this is without parallel crossing. Okay. Power consumption. This is with parallel crossing power consumption. If I make the ratio with the power consumption, with parallel crossing and without parallel crossing, what about the power consumption? It becomes beta square. Okay. C into V naught square F. And denominator is without beta square, it is C V naught square F will come. So this ratio will become beta square. So with parallel crossing and without parallel crossing, if we compare, only beta square change is there, and provided beta value is less than 1. So beta square value also less than 1. You can see left side beta values we got it. So both the values are less than 1. When you make square, the value becomes closer to 0 only. Okay, value becomes closer to 0 only. This is very small. This is very small, which means supply voltage will become 0.02 times of 3.3. For that supply voltage, VLSI circuits cannot work. So we will take beta value, okay, 0.6589. So beta square means, you can see 0.36 will come. If it is percentage, 36% will come. Okay. Because 6.5 is there, 0.6 is not the value, 0.65 we are making square. So finally it is becoming 43.41 whole square. Okay. So 43.41 whole square is the value of beta square, 43.41. So I'm not using calculator. That's the reason, 43.41 percentage. Okay. So with parallel crossing, this is the power consumption compared to 100% with the parallel crossing. So without parallel crossing, power consumption is 100%. With parallel crossing, only 43% power consumption takes place. Okay.